Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. And today, we're going to do a cool unboxing, okay? A cool unboxing of my Christmas present I got 2022. And I want to give a shout out to my mom. Thank you, Mom, for buying me this Christmas present. Okay, and y'all who know me know that those who know me know I don't watch that much television, but lately I really been getting into local news as well as local weather. So I kind of wanted something a little bit bigger to watch it on instead of just my typical, Fire tablet that I have. All right, but again. Thank you, Mom. May you be blessed many, many years. And this is an awesome Christmas present. And what this is, got my notes. This is an Insignia from Best Buy. I think it's a Best Buy brand. Insignia N10 series. Okay. Now I wanted something small. I'm not into those huge televisions or whatever. Each to his own. But I wanted something small for my bedroom, and that I could, if I want to, I could move it to my front room to watch, but mainly for my bedroom. So something that's not overly big, overly heavy, something that could be mobile. All right. So that's why I picked this one out. Now, they had two different series. One of them was Alexa, and it was a N10 brand series for that, and I already had all that installed. Smart TV for that installed for Amazon. I didn't want that. If you know me, I like stuff that's kind of that I can add to without it being owned by any particular company, or media service. So I got this one, and this one I can add anything I want to it. And I have a friend of mine that in the past, he gave me a Roku, and I got the Roku. He gave me an Alexa Fire Sticks, Amazon Fire Stick. And also, he gave me a couple other things too. But and I also had this classic game controller with all these classic games on it, where you don't need to be connected to the internet. All that stuff was just gathering dust. Okay, because I didn't have a television. So now I got this baby. So I ask you to subscribe. I ask you to give this video a thumbs up and share it, okay? Now, I got this right here for only 74 bucks. That's right. And most places have same-day delivery if you add $6, okay? That's not bad, okay? 74 bucks. And it's perfect size for me. So let's get to unboxing this baby, okay? Here it is. Take a sharp knife. Cut away from myself here. Now I want you to understand that this comes with a lot of cool stuff here. And we'll get into that in a minute. comes with a remote control. This is the stand. Definitely comes with its own stand. And gotta take this off. When you lift it, child safety. Instructions. See? This is perfect size. Small. Be real careful with the size. How beautiful that is. There it is. See the side here? Underneath all the cables. Lightweight, so I can move around. Perfect size for me. Of course, it comes with its own cord. And you're gonna take this and they tell you to lie it flat and be very careful with it, okay? Now, let me give you some quick details on this, okay? It has, let's put this up so you have something to look at. Okay. Now, it has 720p, a 60 hertz panel refresh rate, 2 HDMI sockets, 1 digital audio output. Of course, it has an antenna and cable input. Now the screen is liquid crystal display with direct LED backlight. Very cool. Also has a USB socket in it so that, you know, it supports JPEG. So you can show your pictures and view your pictures on this television a lot wider than you can on your phone. I tell you that much. Now, also included, as you saw, it got a remote control. Comes with batteries. I hate when people mail stuff without batteries. It comes with its own stand, as you saw. Okay, quick setup guide. And it has HD high definition. So when I'm watching on my gaming channels, you know, Gamers Little Playground, and lately I've been getting into, I believe her name is Mars with the M-A-R-Z, and also Julia TV. Two awesome gamers, okay? Well, there's a lot of awesome gamers out there, but Julia TV is really funny. Mars, I love Mars' accent because I used to live in Texas and Oklahoma, so she has a deep, she's progressive with a very deep Southern accent. It just adds to her. And she really gets in the game. She's pretty good. But anyway, that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, it does support wall mounts. Okay. Again, thanks, Mom. Stay safe out there. And I shall rap to y'all later. Peace out. Happy holidays.